Wood Profits is a $37.53-page ebook and audio version that's been around since 2012. The ebook claims to teach you everything you need to know about starting your own woodworking business. Once you've handed over your money, you'll be given a download link. Wood Profits is aimed at people who are sick of working for other people and ready to start working for themselves, and while I'm all for that, I'm going to show you why you can't trust anything you see on the Wood Profits sales page. Can you make money with Wood Profits? While you might find some tidbits of information useful, making money following this extremely bare bones and outdated Wood Profits ebook is going to be an uphill struggle. There's nothing in there you can't find by doing a free Google search, and it's definitely not worth the $37 price tag. The earnings claims on the homepage of the website are pretty ridiculous too, saying you could earn up to $150,000 a year. But contrast that with their earnings disclaimer, and suddenly Jim's not sounding so confident. Is Wood Profits a scam or legit? There are too many red flags to call Wood Profits legit. The unknown owner, fake reviews and overpriced upgrades all point to the fact Wood Profits is a deceptive scam that I cannot, in good conscience, recommend. Is Wood Profits right for you? Honestly, if I were you, I would keep your $37 and try something else. No doubt there are tidbits of information you could find helpful, but nothing you can't already find for free with a quick search on Google, and certainly nothing to get you earning $150K a year. I remember seeing this product around at least 7 years ago. The fact there's a CD on their design tells you just how old and outdated this ClickBank product is. The only people making money out of Wood Profits is the Wood Profits owner who we don't know anything about, or the ClickBank affiliates promoting the product. Take my advice and don't waste your money on outdated junk like this, and if you've already bought it, then get your money back. A better Wood Profits alternative. Honestly, if you want to make serious money online, then forget about the fake promises and hyped-up earning claims. You can keep looking for the shiny shortcuts, or you can start investing in your long-term success by learning how to create a real and profitable business online. Who is Wood Profits for? Wood Profits is for skilled and potential woodworkers who desire to establish a profitable source of income with very little capital. You don't have to be highly experienced to earn lucratively from what Wood Profits has to offer. Thanks to their detailed training formats, you can easily set up and grow your own woodworking business